Oh, Opa, what's your name?
Just call me Mr. Long. That's my last name. My first name is Taepak.
Malapit lang kami.
Kasi sexy natin, tsaka lapit.
Ay, kakaririn ko yan.
Are you Korean? Are you Korean?
Yeah.
Forward ko sa inyo.
Oh,
What?
you're Korean?
Kami, kami.
What ano yan? Sabihin mo. Anong sabihin?
저는 한국 사람입니다.
Oh,
Korean이에요, Korean.
you're Korean.
네.
Sabing ganun wala. Meron.
You don't understand Filipino?
Salamat po.
Salam. Oh, wow. It's my first time to ride a Grab driver.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Korean siya.
Teka, i-vlog natin siya.
But yeah, a little Tagalog, a little.
Ito's konti
How long
lang.
have you been here?
2 years, 2 years.
2 years? You should get a tutor so that it's easier
Korean
for
at
you to
ano?
I
communicate.
think
They
expensive.
can work?
It's not expensive.
They can work here.
You have working permit here?
Yeah.
Because we will report you to the,
Yeah,
No, we will vlog you.
Ah, it's okay. Yeah.
Oh, bonggang aming Grab driver, Korea.
Say
Korea.
hi in
Oh, say
Korean.
hello.
안녕하세요.
Ano sa'yo? Ano sa'yo?
Yeah.
Ang sa amin ay
Pero ang galing niya, direksyon, ang galing niya dito sa ano.
Which part of Korea?
Seoul?
Seoul?
Pyongyang.
North Korea?
North Korea launched another ballistic missile north of Pyongyang.
North Korea? North
Korea yun ah!
You're in North Korea?
You're a defector?
Actually, I'm originally from North.
You're from the North. Oh, wow.
I escaped before when I was
bonggang
Oh, you
aming
escaped?
Grab driver,
when I
Korea.
was 10 years old.
Oh, you escaped?
Yeah.
Oh, very interesting.
Ano sa'yo?
Yeah, 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Yeah, 만나서 반갑습니다.
From North,
It's like crash landing on you.
North Korea aming
It's like a
Grab
movie.
driver. Oh.
It's like the movie.
Like
You
a
escape. You
Yeah,
escape.
So you escaped from
How?
North to China?
10 years.
Yeah.
China first, right?
Yeah.
That's the normal